Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products and provide you with honest expert reviews. Today, we're going to talk about Mer The Body Creme, a luxurious skincare treatment that promises to combat dryness and dehydration while infusing your skin with intense moisture. If you've been eyeing this one, stay tuned as I walk you through its features, performance, and whether it's truly worth the hype. Let's start with an overview of this highly coveted product. Mer The Body Creme is a rich, indulgent body moisturizer designed to address severe dryness, dehydration, and the discomfort that comes with it. The formula is packed with a blend of skin-loving ingredients that help repair and nourish, offering a noticeable improvement in skin texture and suppleness. We're talking about a product that aims to break the cycle of dry, cracked skin, which makes it a go-to for those struggling with extreme dryness. The key ingredient here is Mer's famous Miracle Broth, known for its rejuvenating properties. This potent mix of sea kelp and other minerals is said to provide deep hydration while supporting the skin's natural healing processes. The creme's rich texture leaves the skin feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated without feeling greasy. It's marketed as a luxurious treatment for anyone who experiences chronic dry skin or just wants to pamper their body with a little extra care. I've had the chance to test this product extensively, and I can tell you, it's definitely a treat for the skin. The texture is thick and creamy, which I love for a body cream, but it does take a bit of massaging to fully absorb. That being said, the results are noticeable. Skin feels instantly hydrated and soft, almost like it's been revived. I've used it both in the morning and before bed, and I found it works well in both cases. The scent is subtle, yet sophisticated, which makes it feel even more luxurious without being overwhelming. Now let's break down the pros and cons. First, the pros. This cream excels in delivering hydration. It leaves the skin feeling incredibly soft, and if you suffer from dry patches or cracked skin, you'll definitely see an improvement. The scent is also pleasant and doesn't interfere with any other fragrances you might be wearing. Additionally, the texture is rich, making it feel like a truly indulgent skincare experience. On the flip side, the biggest downside here is the price. Mer is a high-end brand, and while the formula is impressive, the cost is a significant consideration. Another point to mention is the time it takes to absorb. Because it's so thick, it might not be the best option for a quick skincare routine, especially if you're in a rush. When it comes to value for money, that's a tricky one. Mer products are known for their luxury, and with that comes a hefty price tag. For those who have the budget, it's hard to argue against the quality, but for many, this may not be the most cost-effective choice. You are paying for the brand, the ingredients, and the overall experience. That said, if you're looking for a more affordable alternative, there are body creams with similar hydrating properties, though they might not have the same high-end ingredients. In terms of build quality, the packaging is as luxe as the product inside. The jar is sturdy, with a classic design that feels both elegant and practical. It's a bit heavy for travel, but the packaging ensures that the product stays protected. As for longevity, I've found that a little goes a long way. The jar should last a few months if used regularly, but it's important to note that because it's so rich, it might not be the most practical for daily use for everyone, especially if you prefer lighter textures. Regarding customer support, I've had no direct interactions, but Mer's reputation for customer service is solid. They tend to be responsive and helpful should any issues arise with the product. To sum up, Mer The Body Creme is a high-performing, luxurious body cream that delivers on its promise to hydrate and restore dry skin. Its rich texture and powerful ingredients make it an ideal choice for those with severe dryness or anyone who simply enjoys a more indulgent skincare routine. However, its steep price tag might make it less accessible for those on a tighter budget, and the thick texture may not be for everyone. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried Mer The Body Creme, drop a comment below and share your thoughts with us. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.